the perfect way to surprise your special someone this Rose Day? How about a delicious romantic pasta that's as beautiful as the day itself? Let's make this day extra special with a quick and easy dish that will steal their heart. Whether you're planning a cozy dinner for two or looking to impress your date with a homemade meal, I've got the perfect recipe for you. Today, we're whipping up a romantic Rose Day pasta, a dish that's as quick and delightful as love itself. Let's get started on making this Rose Day unforgettable. For the Rose Day, we will use linguine or fettuccine pasta. Fill a large pot with water. Make sure it's big enough to give the pasta room to move. Add a pinch of salt, like tears of joy. This will enhance the flavor of the pasta as it cooks. Bring it to a boil. The water should be rolling and bubbling, ready to embrace the pasta. It should be as lively as your love life. Gently add the pasta. Don't just dump it in. Let it slide in gracefully. Let it dance in the bubbling water. Stir occasionally. This ensures that the pasta doesn't stick together and cooks evenly. We don't want any broken hearts or broken noodles. Stirring also helps to keep the pasta from clumping. Cook until al dente, tender, yet firm. This is the perfect texture for pasta, giving it a slight bite. About 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on the clock, but also trust your taste buds. Like a love that lasts. Drain the pasta, but don't rinse it. The starch on the pasta helps the sauce cling better. When the pasta is ready, let's focus on crafting the perfect sauce to elevate this dish to new heights. Start by heating a generous amount of olive oil in a pan. This golden elixir is the foundation of our sauce, providing richness and depth. As the oil heats up, it should shimmer like a promise whispered on a date. Add minced garlic to the pan. Let it sizzle gently, releasing its fragrant aroma. The aroma of garlic sautéing is intoxicating, like a first kiss that lingers in your memory. It's the heart of our sauce, infusing it with warmth and flavor. Now, it's time to introduce the star of our sauce, the tomatoes. Fresh, ripe, and bursting with flavor, they are the soul of this dish. Carefully slice the tomatoes in half, as if you're revealing two hearts beating as one. Each cut brings us closer to the perfect sauce. Gently add the tomato halves to the pan, allowing them to mingle with the garlic and olive oil. This is where the magic happens. Let the tomatoes soften and release their juices, creating a symphony of flavors. The transformation is mesmerizing, as they break down and meld into a luscious sauce that will coat our pasta perfectly. Section 4, the grand unification, where the magic truly happens. Now we will bring together two beloved elements in a symphony of flavors. Our tomatoes are now tender, their juices mingling with the garlic and oil. The aroma is intoxicating, filling the kitchen with a promise of deliciousness. This is the foundation of our sauce, rich and full of character. Love is in the air and in this pan. Cooking is an act of love, and every stir, every ingredient added, is a testament to that. The joy of creating something beautiful and tasty is unparalleled. Add a splash of heavy cream. This will add a luxurious texture to our sauce, making it creamy and smooth. The cream melds with the tomatoes and garlic, creating a harmonious blend. Let it simmer, transforming the sauce into a velvety dream. Patience is key here, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken to perfection. The gentle bubbling is a sign that everything is coming together beautifully. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of our ingredients. Now add the pasta to the sauce. This is the moment we've been waiting for, where the pasta meets the sauce, creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. Toss gently, coating each piece evenly. Every strand of pasta should be enveloped in the rich, creamy sauce. This ensures that every bite is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, a true culinary delight. Section 5, a culinary masterpiece. We're almost there. Spoon the pasta onto plates. Don't just serve it, present it. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, sprinkle Parmesan cheese. And for the final touch of romance, a single delicate rose petal. Serve immediately. This dish, like love, is best enjoyed in the moment. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this romantic Rose Day pasta brings some extra love to your special day. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you in the next video!